What is day trading? Day trading is when people buy and sell stocks or other financial stuff within a single day. They try to make money by taking advantage of small price changes, often holding on to things for just a few minutes. Regular investors usually buy or sell based on how they think the economy or markets are doing, or after researching specific companies. They might also be in it for regular dividends from companies. But day traders are different. They're always on the lookout for tiny price changes they can profit from quickly. They buy and sell large amounts of stuff in one go, or they might do lots of smaller trades throughout the day. They buy something and then sell it again before they actually have to pay for it. And they usually wrap up all their trades by the end of the day to protect themselves from anything weird happening after hours. For example, imagine a day trader sees that Big Bank just made a lot more money. They might buy 10,000 shares of Big Bank at $490 each, hoping the price will keep going up. If by 10 a.m. the price has risen to $500, they sell, making a profit of $10 on each share, minus fees. They might do this kind of thing 5 to 10 times in a single day. But day trading isn't easy. It's risky, stressful, and expensive. Many new day traders lose a lot of money at first, and some never make a profit. They have to watch the market constantly, looking for any signs of where things might be headed, and they have to pay a lot in fees for training and for good computers. There are also some specific terms to know. Scalping is when traders hold on to something for just a few minutes or even seconds. Margin trading is when traders borrow some of the money they need to buy things from their broker. Bid-offer spread is the difference between the price to buy something and the price to sell it. And market data is the current trading info. Day traders pay extra for real-time data so they can act fast on news or announcements. So day trading can be a way to make quick money, but it's definitely not for everyone. It takes a lot of time, effort, and money to succeed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.